Hello everyone. Today I'm going to do a homemade squishy collection. And if you don't know what squishies are, they are a foam. You can use any kind of foam as long as it's foam. And you can use fabric paint or window paint or whatever. Any fabric paint or something to paint your homemade squishy, and that's what I did. I made a bunch so far, and I will be making more. I can do tutorials if you want me to. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first is this pink peach, and it's really squishy, and you can see the leaf on it. I have this blueberry cake with white frosting and pink sprinkles, and it has a cute face. And then I have this cube that has all kinds of colors, and it has a face as well. I have this purple macaroon, and there's a cute face on it as well. There's a lot of squishy that had faces on it. So I have this cake with white polka dots and just white, green, blue, and purple frosting on it. I have this like greenish kind color with a cute face on it. The back isn't painted though. We have this really small cute sushi. It has a tiny face. I have this cake roll with purple frosting on it. And I like this one because it's squishy. And then there's this grape kind eclair. There's this cake that has a face on it, and it's really defective because it's old. It's one of the first squishies I ever made. And I have this pickle, I think, yeah, pickle with a face on it with pink cheeks. I have this cake with a blueberry and some sprinkles on top. I have this rainbow cake with a face as well. And then I have this like small cake or a cupcake. I think it's just a real small cake with a face as well. And yeah, there's this cookie, has a face, blue frosting. And then this really old one, another one of my first homemade squishies. Blue, that has a face. I have this Hello Kitty donut it has purple frosting with white polka dots. I really like this one. I have this purple peach. And then I have this Sammy cream puff. It has white frosting on top and white filling. Sorry for the background noise. My brother's just playing with his toys. Yeah, squishy. It's not even a squishy. I have this, what do you call this? A blueberry muffin. And squishy. And then, I'm tired. I have this popsicle with a cute face on it. Beat it. And then I have this donut. It's like what do you call this? A bracelet. A bitten donut. And yeah, it's squishy as well. I have this other donut. It has a face. I have this hot dog bun.
Buzz Lightyear reporting for sector duty.
I have this pink donut with a face and black drizzle on it. Okay, this one my friend Serena made, and I really like this one. She hasn't taken it home yet, but yeah, has a face as well. And then this one has a face. I don't really know what this one is. I have this one. I have this Swiss roll. This one is inspired by Rainovids, and it's really squishy. I have this, what do you call this, hash brown. I have this random face. I have an egg with yolk. I have this yellow, like neon yellow cake that has black drizzle on it. I have this bitten donut that has really cool frosting. Wait, I have this one that has a face. This is an eclair, and it's pretty big. It has a cute face. I have this chocolate bar, not really a chocolate bar, but it's just a bar that cracks. And yeah, I have this cake with white filling in it. I have this big, I don't know, cake, I guess. It's like the size of my palm of my hand. I have 3 more left. I have this small, colorful cube, and this cake slice. And last one is this Bredo donut, but it doesn't have the hole, but there is black swirls on it. So I hope you enjoyed this homemade squishy video, and comment down below if you want me to make more do squishy tutorials, or just, yeah. So please comment down below that, and like and subscribe to become part of my YouTube channel. Hope you enjoyed this video, so thanks for watching. Bye bye.